Collamask. Cash on delivery product. Collamask is a unique mask to fight common skin problems. The patented Collamask formula makes it suitable for any skin type, and it nourishes and moisturizes all layers of the skin, restoring the skin structure. How does Collamask work? Collagen retains moisture, restores skin structure, effectively smoothens out wrinkles. Combination of amino acids, powerful anti-aging factor, which protects the skin from premature aging. Blue clay has tonic properties and cleans the skin, diminishes enlarged pores. Collamask is recommended by cosmetologists. Thanks to the active ingredients, Collamask ensures a dramatic result. The skin is nourished, looks fresher and more rested, the skin color improves. The mask eliminates any signs of premature aging and fading. Collamask passed clinical testing and is certified. The patented mask formula is universal, so I recommend it for all skin types. For further details and order this cash-on-delivery product, please click the link available in the description of this video below. Please feel free to contact me via email or comment if you have any questions. Please like this video, share this video, comment on this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press bell icon so you never miss out any of my upcoming great videos. Thank you for watching this video.